Everything, peace, happiness, life. If you can't get past dipping your shoulders into a little bit of a level, there's some wrong with your mindset, right? Ready? Explaining a few things. So, basically, how the human brain and body works is it. Key is no thinking. You just get straight in, ducking, chin height.
The key was burning my.
Just go. Don't think. Go. Yeah.
But all I really know, you're where I wanna go.
Trying to cheer myself up. I've ordered some grilled pork curry and some munchies, so let's see how you can have a share anyway. On us, we'll find. My playlist is bipolar, no wonder it's like this. It's true, how music can alter your mood in so many ways. Mine confusing since the 5th grade, as Eminem said. Yes, talk about all of that as well in my community about the what you absorb music and all that. So if you still haven't had a look, have a look. I'm just about to go downstairs now and grab my food. It's been dropped off the food locker. I'll show you what it's like and how cheap it was, and I'll see you when I've ate it because I am starving.
He told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just
That is like pork curry. It's got like a curry goat vibe to it. We're obviously pork, but that kind of gravy curry sauce. Really nice. I've got big tub for it, 430 baht, which is this much. And then watching some Joe Rogan for a bit.
Because the buyers.
And then we'll go up and say gratitude and then get ready for tomorrow. I'll be honest with you, it was absolute phenomenal. That's the best meal I've had off Grab since I've been here. And I really like just doing weird, random, nice stuff. Every now and then back home, I'll message someone who I know or an acquaintance just to tell me if I'm doing well. I mean, I think I'm doing amazing, things like that. Some people probably think I'm weird, especially when it's girls. If it's a girl, I'll think it's been snaky maybe, but I do a bit through both. My hamstrings are so sore, so tomorrow we're going to the ice bath place. So you get 2-hour ice bath and sauna, 490 baht. Ain't the cheapest, but I really need it and good for dopamine for my head. I'm going to take you with me there tomorrow. That should be cracking action, man. With the sauna as well. And I've got my tuna in the background. First time I ever gave my life to Jesus, this was. I remember running up a hill on a run, training for a fight, and then he just come over me, I needed to. And I ran to Bod's house, Jace, who got me into church after I met at prison. Great memories, great to be back. Traffic's mental, but it's gone right. Stand still, almost in action then. Yeah, it's great to be back up in the lights. So, but the ice bath and sauna, today we're going to see it. It's in Bangkok, so we're going to get a grab there. Just going to go and have a bit of time up by the pool. When we get there, I'm going to rep out on press-ups, dips, into the sauna, get my heart rate through the roof, get my core temperature as high as I can, and then we're going to hit that cold plunge. I'm going to do it a few times and just burn myself out, like I say, due to my head's been really struggling. I need this challenge. It's just to take everything out of me, you know, get that dopamine relief and serotonin. So yeah, we'll see you at the ice plunge. Don't forget to subscribe, check out my community, Escape the Matrix, all about mental health, depression, anxiety, overcoming addiction. There's all sorts of things going to be on there. It's building up slowly. Any donations, 10% of everything, once again, goes to Mental Health UK. So appreciate you guys. Let's get cold plunging. Bloody cow. So you come up this path, shoes off, and you come in. And I'm going to voice over this. It's not disturbing than I thought I'd voice over. So you come in, you walk through, you've got a seating area on your left, a nice comfortable sofa. You've got a chessboard as well. You've got a bunch of products to buy, skincare, lots of different things. As I say, a chessboard with another seating area where you can have cups of coffee, you can order all different lattes, iced, and that just leads you outside. Explaining a few things. So basically, how the human brain and body works is it protects your mechanism, so you can remember more bad things than good, yeah? More than likely, okay? And that is just because your brain is reminding you so you don't make the same mistake or get put in danger again, yeah? Through the trauma. But however, you can retain that information quicker. So if you always, you know, it's been proven that if you're doing like exams and things like that, say you're studying for a language, and then you're studying all day, and then you fully submerge in the cold plunge, the shock factor from doing that will then basically retain as neuroplasticity because of the trauma. You remember the day, you remember what you've been doing. I've been learning this language, say Thai for instance, cold plunge. Everything you've been learning that day has a lot more chance of retaining the information through the shock and the trauma from the ice plunge as well. So there's so much benefits to it, you know what I mean? But you come out of the changing rooms, you got just this little walkway and a shower. You come along here. I've already been in just to fill the sauna to see what it's like. It's red hot. And these are the ice baths. Plenty. There's a lad from Brooklyn who's going to jump in with me now and do, we're going to do some just shitload of press ups. And then we're just going to plank and then plunge. These are the guys. Say what's up, lads. Hey. So, you in it yet? You're going to jump in? Right, so we're going to rep out on push-ups. Yeah. And then we're going to do the plank to failure, and then we're just going to fucking go for it. Mental resilience.
Too?
Come on, man.
He says the best way. Then.
Push-ups. Then when you finish your push, you don't drop, you don't rest, you stay in the plank. So you stay in the upward plank. Then when we do, say, 30 seconds, and then so we'll do 50 push-ups. If you can't do 50, do what you can. Yeah, no shame. Then we're going to stay in the upward plank, yeah? Then we're going to go down into the bottom plank, hold it till failure, and get straight in the fucking plunge ball. Okay. Be a soldier, man. Man, jump yourselves in the sauna, man. I'll come into you. Hi.
Right now.
Hey. To make sure I win, didn't I? Push that temperature through the roof, and then we'll go again. Let's do this. The key is no thinking. You just get straight in, docking. Chin height.
The key was burning my hand.
Just go. Don't think, go. Yeah, go on. You got it, boy. Let's have it. To neck. Drop. Just drop. You just got to drop. You thinking again? No, think, go. How much do you want to be a basketballer? How much do you want to be in the big leagues? Come on. Drop. Come on, drop them shoulders in, man.
Butt on the ground.
Come on.
Alright.
Drop it. Get in, man. Come on. Right, you're about to sign your deal with the NBA. What you going to do? Drop in or stay there?
Alright, I'm down.
3, 2, 1, the deal's gone. 2, 1, your deal's gonna go. How much you want it? Ah, yeah, drop your shoulders, man. Shows how much. Come on.
I'm down.
It's your last chance, man. You got a free contract roll. Let's go again. Drop into your chin. Go.
My what?
Your chin.
No.
No, just to there, just to neck. Come on, let's go.
Please. Leave me alone.
This is where you will do it now. You get past that point, you literally got a small window, so I'm going to put your contract out one more time, yeah? If you can't do it, imagine this is a contract. Then you don't want it. Ready? Here's your contract. Go. Sign it. Sign it.
No.
No, he done, man. He done. You don't want it enough. You're going for it. I said to him, I says, listen, it shows how much, if you can't do this little mind thing, how can you push past the barriers to be in the big leagues, yeah? I says, here's your contract 3 times. To sign it, you just got to drop to your shoulders, and he couldn't do it. Just for, imagine it was a contract. So now you go, let's do it.
How long?
Just get to your shoulders to start with, and then as long as you can. It is, I know it is, seriously. It's the thinking. This is why I was on to you. The longer it goes on, the less your brain will convince you, as you know. Right, go. Now, if you want that contract, yeah, and you're willing to get to your chin, drop your shoulders in and drop to your chin. Here's your contract. You got 10 seconds to sign it for the NBA. Go. 10. How much do you want it? 9. You think 10 seconds of pain could be the best of your life, and it's going to do you good? 7. Of course not. You can swivel up to get your shoulders in, man. Come on.
Unless you get his feet out.
I could do. Listen, you could cross your legs, man. You're athletes.
Can you cross
That's
your
it. You can do anything to get your shoulders in, though. You can lean forward. Yeah. You can do anything. It's how much you want it. There, come on, man. He's lost the contract again. So you guys have got to beat that willpower. You got to know that, don't you? Because you know when he does step up, You'll get tests that are harder than this in your life to get to them big leaves, and that's a fact. Yeah. Oh yeah. I might do 10 seconds first time round just because I'm proving a point that I want something more than anything else. It's just as hard for me as you guys, trust me. Go. I want it so fucking bad. Everything, peace, happiness, life. If you can't get past flipping your shoulders into a little bit of a level, there's something wrong with your mindset, right? Ready? Over the head. That's how you do it. Just fucking fall it there. There. That's how you breathe it. It's vile. I don't want to do it. That's what I do.
Are you from Alaska?
Okay. Say again?
Are you from Alaska?
No, from the UK. So this is, if you really want to do it, do it. This is my first little one. I'm doing a lot more than this, but I want to get my reps in, like I said. Just showing you there. It's all in your head. Now I've done it. In my head, I've achieved something. You guys are going to get your contract in by the end of this sitting, yeah? Deal? Yeah. Peace. I'm going to do dips now. I'm going to rep out on dips, and then I'm going to jump back in there myself again.
It's just like a minute.
So they're constantly changing the ice and things like that, and refreshing the water and stuff. So
What's this for?
it's just a pump. Just pumps the. I think it freshens the water up and all that. Drains and puts new one in.
It doesn't make it colder, right?
Nah. All that'll do is drain the old water out. Fresh. It's just a pump.
So I can't jump in here no more?
Not that one now, but you got that big one there. Then you got no excuse. I'm gonna go in at the sauna again. Yeah. Right. One more plan after the sauna. 50 dips. As you just saw, we'll go back in again. Just kill on these bricks as well. Even people don't like to do planks on bricks because it hurts the forearms. Certain people, I get it. You know, when you're in that serious place, you can be being punched and that. And forearms are going to protect your man, so just fucking do it. Alright, let's go. Let's go, yeah. Sit down, so where's your bro? I appreciate it. Is there a timer? I've lost 30 seconds already.
I'm in the 55.
My man over there smashes it. Shows no emotion.
He's killing it, though.
My friend helping.
There it is.
How long am I on? Well, I'm done. Underneath that one. Shit. Hold on. I can't feel my feet. Last chance to get his contract now, look. Press him here and everything, but will he sign the contract? Second time round, go on. Yeah, man, if you really want to soldier it, get your hair done, but you don't want to ruin their hair either. You don't want to ruin that. Gangster. That's it, widen them, man. Gee. Now it's all about the breathing, man. Deep in through your nose, slower out through your mouth. That's the key. You got it, man. You can do 5 minutes now if you wanted to. You know, when you get past 2 minutes, you go warm. You generally do. And you'll go, oh, shit.
Once we get past this.
Yeah, past 3 minutes you'll go warm.
Okay.
You do go warm. Your body is not
When you were counting me down to 60,
trying to get warm.
I could have.
Yeah, but when you get to 3 minutes, you literally feel your whole body is like
Cool down,
warm.
yeah.
Crazy. It's like it's so peaceful.
Oh, you
Good man.
You could stay longer.
It's gonna be a good time after. Right, go on. Yeah, give that to your boy because I come down. I'll video from here. Right, you reckon he's going to do it this time? I've told him if you want to sign his contract, let's go. Yeah, and then you got a goal. Go from there 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Bigger breast 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, easy isn't it? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now that diamond's got it there, just means you're doing that. But fair play to you. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. It is like you said, it's easier, isn't it, the first time? You know, it is about that, isn't it? You got it, bro.
All right.
That's it, man. Just relax now. That was the ice bath. The sauna ice bath. Really happy with that. So if you're in the Bangkok area and you're interested in meeting for an ice bath, if you wanted to do any personal training, boxing sessions, I've been teaching boxing for 20 plus years and competed also for 20 plus years, as well as other self-defences and general fitness, as well as I have a wellbeing hub. Scan the QR code and like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and just comment if you fancy a meet at this location. And I'm also a qualified Samaritan, so hit me up if you're struggling with any way. Everything is completely confidential. I'm willing to talk to anyone. Don't go through things on your own. God bless.